Hello, beautiful people. Get ready to unlock your inner artist. Welcome to your first step into the world of makeup. We're going to start with the most important part, prepping your skin. Think of makeup as a way to express yourself, a tool to enhance your natural beauty and showcase your unique personality, and most importantly, to boost your confidence. When you look good, you feel good, and that shines through. Before any makeup, and I mean makeup, start with a clean face. This is non-negotiable. Wash with a gentle cleanser specifically formulated for your skin type. This will remove any dirt, oil, and impurities. Pat dry, don't rub, to avoid irritation. Rubbing can cause redness and sensitivity, especially if you have delicate skin. Next, moisturize. Hydration is key to a healthy, glowing complexion. Even oily skin needs hydration. Don't be afraid of moisturizer if you have oily skin. It's all about finding the right one. Choose a formula that suits you. Look for oil-free or gel-based moisturizers if you're prone to breakouts. Massage moisturizer into your face and neck using gentle upward motions until fully absorbed. Now, primer. This is your secret weapon for a flawless makeup application. It smooths your skin, creating a perfect canvas for your makeup. It fills pores, minimizes imperfections, and helps your makeup last longer throughout the day or night. Pick a primer specifically designed for your skin's needs. Mattifying, if you struggle with excess shine. Hydrating, if your skin is dry and needs a boost of moisture. Or glowing, if you want to add a radiant, lit from within effect. Apply a pea-sized amount evenly to your face and let it set for a minute or two before applying any makeup. Prepping your skin is the secret to a flawless, long-lasting look. It's the foundation for everything else. Ready to create your masterpiece? With your skin prepped and ready, let's move on to the fun part. With your skin prepped and moisturized, it's time to create a flawless canvas. Let's even out your complexion, addressing any redness, discoloration, or unevenness. This step is crucial for a polished and professional makeup look. For a natural, everyday look, choose a lightweight liquid foundation or a tinted moisturizer. These options provide sheer to medium coverage, allowing your skin to breathe while still perfecting your complexion. To find your perfect match, test shades on your jawline in natural light. The ideal shade should seamlessly blend into your skin, disappearing without a trace. Don't forget to check the match in different lighting conditions to ensure it looks flawless everywhere. Apply with clean fingers for a natural, dewy finish. The warmth of your fingers helps to melt the foundation into your skin, creating a seamless blend. Alternatively, use a damp makeup sponge or a foundation brush for a more airbrushed effect. These tools allow you to build coverage and achieve a flawless finish. Remember to start with a light layer and build coverage only where needed. This prevents a cakey or heavy look, allowing your natural skin to shine through. Next, it's time for concealer to target specific areas. For brightening and concealing dark circles under your eyes, use a concealer that's 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation. For blemishes and imperfections, use a concealer that matches your skin tone exactly. This will provide seamless coverage without drawing attention to the area. Tap gently to blend the concealer into your skin. Less is more to avoid creasing or caking. Use a light hand and build coverage gradually. To ensure your makeup lasts all day, set your base with a light dusting of powder. Focus on oily areas like the T-zone, your forehead, nose, and chin, to control shine and prevent your makeup from sliding. Use a fluffy brush and loose powder for a natural airbrushed finish. This will help to blur imperfections and create a soft focus effect. Keep a pressed powder compact in your bag for quick touch-ups throughout the day. This is perfect for blotting away excess oil and maintaining a flawless complexion on the go. Optional, add bronzer to your cheekbones to sculpt and define your face. Apply bronzer along your jawline for added warmth and definition, creating a more sculpted and contoured look. Or add a pop of color with blush to the apples of your cheeks for a healthy, radiant glow. Following these steps will create a smooth, even, and vibrant base for the rest of your makeup. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Keep it simple, and remember that practice makes perfect. Now that your base is complete, let's move on to enhancing your features and bring out your eyes. And finally, let's add some color and definition to your lips to complete the look. Now let's move on to the eyes. This is where you can really express yourself and add some personality to your look. Don't be intimidated. We'll start with the basics. They say the eyes are the windows to your soul, so let's frame them beautifully. We're going to keep it simple and elegant for a beginner-friendly approach. Start with a neutral palette. These are your best friends when you're just starting out. Apply a light shade all over your lids as a base. This will even out your skin tone and create a smooth canvas for the other colors. Next, take a medium brown and blend it into the crease. Use a dark shade as liner along your upper lash line. This will define your eyes without the harshness of liquid liner. Remember to apply the light shade all over your lid to brighten and open up the eye area. Blend that medium brown seamlessly into the crease. This adds depth and dimension, making your eyes appear larger. The key is no harsh lines. Blend, blend, blend well. A seamless transition between colors is what we're aiming for. Now finish with mascara. This will really make your eyes pop. Wiggle the wand from roots to tips to coat each lash, adding both length and volume. 1 or 2 coats on your top lashes is usually enough for beginners. You can always add more later as you get more comfortable. For lips, let's start with a tinted balm. It's hydrating and adds a subtle wash of color, or a simple gloss, or a sheer lipstick. These are easy to apply and very forgiving if you make a mistake. Choose a shade you absolutely love, something that makes you feel confident and beautiful. Nude pinks are always a great choice, peaches or berries. These shades tend to work beautifully on everyone. Dab the color on and then blend with your finger for a soft, natural, and effortless look. Remember, even simple touches can make a big impact on your overall appearance. Have fun experimenting. Last step, set your look with setting spray. Hold the bottle away from your face, mist in an X and T motion, and let it dry. This locks in your makeup for hours. At the end of the day, always remove your makeup. Use micellar water or a gentle remover on a cotton pad. For waterproof products, try an oil-based remover. Double cleanse, first with an oil-based cleanser, then your regular face wash. Clean skin is healthy skin. Makeup is about creativity and self-expression. Enjoy the process. You're beautiful, with or without makeup.